It's winter, and today we're heading to a special indoor gym, perfect for high-energy kiddos. This is where they can burn off some steam and they can learn new skills.
I love places like this. If you've ever wondered what it's going to feel like to star in an episode of the popular American Ninja Warrior TV show, well, now's your chance. Reporter Kristen Hobrecht takes us to Ninjas United in Maple Grove.
Okay, so I've got Tal with me. How old are you?
I'm 10.
Okay, we gotta talk first about this mohawk, this hairdo. I mean, do you get extra points for being so cool?
I should, but I don't.
No. What is your favorite thing about competing in Ninja?
I don't know, just how fun it is, the opportunity, watching our friends compete to the best of their abilities.
I feel like I've walked into a real-life episode of American Ninja Warrior, but for you, this is personal. You are a mom of 3, and your oldest son, Benjamin, he had a diagnosis, and you found a way to really help what he was dealing with, kind of give us more understanding about that.
Yeah, so when he was really young, he was diagnosed with ADHD. We noticed the signs right away. He had so much energy and a lot of impulsive movements, wanted to jump and climb. And one time his grandpa was put on American Ninja Warrior, and we saw these people doing this, and he was just inspired, and we were like, what if we try that? On top of that, he needed to go to occupational and physical therapy, and he didn't want to come home and have to do exercises. So Ninja was just such an amazing outlet for him, where he was able to go regulate himself, do all the impulsive actions, and be rewarded for that.
Right, and not needing a lot of folks would have to have a medication in a way too with ADHD.
And yeah, he's just thriving today.
So that helped to lead you to getting involved and now owning this gym.
Correct, because I had a degree in elementary education, and then I was a substitute teacher in the Osseo School District. But once I saw what was happening in the Ninja community and just how welcoming it was and what it did for all types of kids, I wanted to play a bigger role in that, so I became involved.
So Molly, you are a mama and you've got 2 kids involved in Ninja, but you yourself compete, and I think that is so remarkable because there's just not a lot of other sports out there where you are competing with your kiddos.
Right, yeah. So it was 4 years ago, and it was a geocache where we discovered a cache in the woods. We go find it, and inside was a buy one, get one free open gym pass to a Ninja gym. Yeah. And we did it, and we got hooked, and I watched my kids for a month, and they begged me to try. And I was 39 at the time. And I said, guys, my days are done. I said, I used to be an athlete,
but now I could pull something here.
Yeah, I can't do a pull-up. I'm going to pull something, exactly. But I promised them I'd try for a month, and I did, and I got hooked, and I can't imagine my life without Ninja, especially just as a family and a community. It's really changed our lives.
Your skill level, you are rated at the top. What did it take to get to that level?
Took a lot of dedication over 6 years. I train 3 times a week usually, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays.
Now, what have you learned about yourself during this process?
It's not what I learned about myself, it's more about what I've changed about myself. And so I started coming here and I was very competitive, very bitter after competitions if I wasn't placed up in the top.
Yeah.
And with help from our amazing coaches like Sean over there, I grew to be a much better person.
Yeah. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, I like that outlook. Okay, so I'm hanging out with Blake and Poppy, and you guys want to instruct me to try my first obstacle. What do you have in mind?
You are going to go up the rope wall, and you want to run as fast as you can. Then you are going to go across the rings to get back down.
Yeah, just like a monkey? Just, okay. Do you think I can do it?
Yeah, I think you can do it.
Yeah?
You definitely can.
All right, let's go team. Good teachers, good instructors. Woo! Thank you guys.
amazing. They're like little monkeys just climbing all over the place.
And of course, Kristen just makes that look so easy.
I know, she
The
does.
warped wall, she like almost got her elbow up on there.
Some people are really athletically gifted, and she's just one of those
She's one of them,
humans.
yeah.
She really is. So the owners of Ninjas United are offering a special deal for you and your kids because they're doing upcoming summer camps.
already.
Oh my gosh, I was just in Post-it note calendar misery over the weekend planning summer camps. This one sounds really fun, though. You can use the code NUCAMP. I think we have it right there somewhere on their website. That's ninjasunited.com to get 10% off. That's a great deal.
It's a great deal. And yes, for all of you parents out there that are a little freaked out right now that summer's around the corner, because when you told me that, I'm like, I don't know if we've even thought about summer.
I was like, it was me, a calendar, my credit card, and Post-it notes, and I felt not great about the whole thing. I'll tell you that right now.
Oh, a lot of you at home know exactly what we're talking about. All right, we got more Twin Cities Live right after this.
Oh, it's winter, presented by Rainy Lake, north of the Twin Cities, gateway to Voyageurs National Park. Rainy Lake is your Minnesota vacation destination, spring, summer, fall, and winter. Plan your trip at rainylake.com.